Myth number 3 inasema electric cars are worse for the environment because of battery production. So this myth is rooted in a partial truth. Tunaweza sema, electric cars zina create more emissions upfront. What do I mean by upfront? When an electric car is being manufactured pale kwa factory, that same factory yenye ina manufacture electric vehicles that are supposed to reduce emissions. Kuna manufacturing of batteries and many other components that make an electric vehicle function. And so hiyo process inakuanga kubwa compared to factory yenye inatengeneza gari zenye zina run on engines. So pale upfront, the electric vehicle, it will already have a bigger environmental footprint in terms of emissions. Okay? But the internal combustion engine haitakuwa na the same footprint in terms of emissions pale kwa factory. We are talking about the factory. Bado gari hazijatoka kwa factory zikaenda kurun, okay? But now the moment that internal combustion engine imeanza kwenda kwa barabara after it's been manufactured, every day that it's running inatoa emissions, okay? Na usisahau bado the same factory inaendelea kuunda gari zingine, bado inatoa emissions pamoja na gari yenye iliundwa kwa hiyo factory. So both are still going to be emitting emissions zenye ni harmful to our ozone layer. But the electric vehicle, ukiangalia poa, only the factory part ndio inatoa emissions. But sasa the moment this electric vehicle imeenda kwa barabara, it is going to, in terms of emission savings, it is going to catch up. Okay? It's going to catch up na it overtake the traditional internal combustion engine car, especially kama inachajiwa mahali wanatumia renewable energy. Mahali wanatumia renewable energy, for example, the windmills. The windmills are those big turbines zenye zina rotate through the power of wind, and then they create electricity. So let's say we have such zimejaa mahali kuna charging stations. So that means hizo gari electric zinachajiwa na renewable energy. So meaning hata emissions zinaenda zikidrop even further compared to the internal combustion engines. Okay? So final word on that, naweza sema electric vehicles are not perfect, but over their full life, wakati zime roll off from the factory, all their life from the production to the end of their use, they are generally much cleaner than fossil fuel vehicles. So long term, they are better for the planet and they are not worse. So I hope hapo nimejibu the correct way. Myth ya 4 inasema